Hey guys, welcome and/or welcome back. I am Cassie J. If y'all are new here, thank you so much for joining me. But today we're going to be doing a giveaway. The giveaway is going to be 3 of the vellum peekaboo cash envelopes. I'm sorry, 5. You are getting 5 of the vellum peekaboo envelopes. This is what they look like. They are clear back, and you get to pick your categories. So these are fitting the A6 binders, and let's do this. So these are my regular vellum front with the white back. I stopped putting my vellum here and decided to put it here, and I took away the white back, which is this, and made them clear. So if that is something that y'all are interested in, this is what they look like in a binder. This is what they look like with money, and this is the back of it being clear. So you are able to get sets of 5. My link will be down in the description down below. The sets of 5, you are able to get a few of them because I think we stocked up already. But today we're going to be doing the giveaway. All you have to do is make sure that you are publicly subscribed to me and theplanningdancer. Make sure that you are 18 years of age in the United States, as well as you have to comment down below under this video saying that you are in. Say I'm in. Send me other comments, however, communicate with me. Just make sure that you put that you just make sure you comment I'm in, because there are some people that will comment in the comments below, but they are not wanting to be in the giveaway. So, or they can't be in the giveaway. So you cannot join the giveaway. But if you are interested, make sure you comment I'm in. It is going to be from Saturday today up until Thursday, and then announcements will be the following. The winner will be announced on the following Saturday. We are doing a giveaway every week of July. So if y'all are interested in trying to win, please make sure that you reach out to us, because we are doing a giveaway and trying to give back. This is the 1-year anniversary for our business doing this Olympia and Cassie Creates, and so we are trying to make sure that, you know, we are giving back to everyone. So keep in mind, at the end of the month we're doing a really good giveaway. There are going to be some gift cards and other people involved, so if y'all are interested, just make sure you subscribe down below, and make sure you subscribe to Olympia as well, because next week she'll be doing a giveaway, and then the following week I'll be doing another. So, and of course, make sure that you communicate, because you have to come back to our channel in order to see who is a winner, because if you don't leave any way of us communicating with you, we will find a different winner. Okay, thank y'all so much, and let's go back to the video. Down everything that I'm doing, and then I can stuff this, and then I can move money over digitally, or do it, you know, move the money order and then, you know, stuff. But what I wanted to make sure that I'm doing is I am staying focused on saving, because there has been a few times, months, like maybe a year or maybe more, I have income coming in, and as soon as the income comes in, I go out to eat, or I go shopping and buy things, or I have a cart in Shein or Instagram or Fashion Nova or Hobby Lobby or Office Depot or Best Buy, or I mean, I have carts, okay, and I hit them up. I hit them up, and I'm like, if I'm bored, I'm like buying, or not buying. If I'm bored, I like start adding stuff to it, and if I really want it, I'm checking my account to see if I can buy it. So if I stuff it and I focus, then the money's not in my debit card, and it's actually in a savings account. And a savings account, I really don't touch those. Once I feel like if it's in there, it's in there. Like, it's not my account. I'm kind of like paying a bill with it or whatever. Like, that's where my mind's at. So I'm able to save. I have no problem. It's whenever it's in my debit card and I check that debit card and that debit card says it has $5 or more, that means you need to swipe that. You need to swipe that. You don't even have to swipe it. You just gotta run the numbers. Gotta run the numbers. Run them. Okay, run it. That's how I feel. So if I get it, as soon as the deposit comes in, I'm making sure the money goes to where it's supposed to be going, making sure that my gas tank is full. There ain't no problem, right? So today, the income that I am going to be doing is $110. I did fan it out, so you may have already counted it. It is 110. 1, 5, 10. Wait, let's start over. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. So we are just going to be putting it here, making sure my calculator is available, because y'all know your girl don't know how to count, don't know how to do her digits. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to show you this income. So as for this week so far, I have did Etsy. I got $122.89, and then for notary I did 110, and then virtual assistants 300, and then delivery I did 230. So these are the amounts estimated down, estimated down, budgeted down or whatever. This is not the actual amount that I had received, but because the rollover is in my debit, and that money I'm spending on whatever it is I want to spend it on, and I'm calling it a day because I'm not a zero-based budgeter. Okay, so today I'm going to be stuffing the $110 is what I'm going to show you, and then tomorrow I'm going to be doing the 300. Actually, I got 300, but I think I'm stuffing 240 is what I was looking at. Again, I wanted the money to go so I can go out to eat, so I put money to the side. So I think it's 240 if I'm not mistaken, or 230. And then delivery, I have already amount of 230. So that's this amount. I do have 2 other incomes that are coming in, and hopefully I can get them in, but as of right now, today, they have not came in, and so they're not going to be counted. All right, so I did not do this because, honey, they're all 10s, and these are the categories that I'm going to be stuffing all week. These are because I already did my bills for the month of July and August, and so every time I have income, it's going to be hitting these envelopes, and I need to actually get my Black Friday. I have not put the vinyl on it. I made the envelope and I just haven't put the vinyl on it, so I'm still going to be putting it in the Christmas. And then as for, there's one more thing that I was going to tell y'all about it, but whenever I get to it, I guess I'll just get to that. So yeah, I was thinking to do the whole thing for the income, but I decided not to at the last second, since this amount is actually a little bit lower, because the 122, I actually put that all back into my Etsy shop, so y'all are not going to see the 122 being stuffed. And then the notary today, since I'm only going to show you the 110, I'm just going to put $10 in each one and just count how much it is with you. And then the same thing with the others. I'm just going to put a random number in here. This is the minimum that I plan on putting in there, but because it's not the amount, I can't put $20 in, you know, each of the kids' binders, because, you know, it's not going to have enough. So I'm not going to have enough, at least not today. All right, so for the first one, and I was actually thinking about bringing these envelopes back into the shop. They are the water splash, but I'm not sure if I'm going to add them as of yet. They are the clear front, of course, like y'all had saw. But if y'all are interested, somebody had asked me about them, and they, whenever I reached out to them, I replied, they haven't said anything back. But if y'all are interested, please just reach out to us and we will reply as soon as possible. So for Ethan, he has 50, 70, 80, 90, 5, 96. I don't like these ones in 5s, but I gotta move over $4. Or I could just have $6 over in there. I'm throwing them in the trash. I can't stand those dollars for some reason. Alright, so this was Ethan. He is getting 10. So he had 96, but in this right here, he's not going to have that amount. He's going to have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. But in the bank account, he's going to have 106. So, and then for Rayon has 60. So now 70. Lanaya has 10, 30, 20, 30, 40. Now has 50. Back to school is the envelope that we're going to be doing as well, because we are going to be shopping at the end of the month. And I actually think that I'm going to wait until tax-free weekend so that we can go shopping. 100, 220 for back to school, and we're going to add 10, so 230 now. And then I have shopping. So I have shopping and then party right next to it, and there's like 2 different envelopes. So party is not going to be getting anything because I didn't count that. Alright, so 50, 70, 90, 110, and then now 120. And then no to party, no electronics, and no LASIK. Yes, and I saw those 1s and 5s and I almost took them out, but it's accurate, so I didn't take it out. Alright, so the next one we're going to be doing is Black Friday, is the one that I need to make, and I just haven't stuffed it as of yet. Now it's not even in here. Fix it, Jesus. Alright, so Cruise is one. Okay, Cruise, let's go ahead and put 10 in there. And Cruise has 1, 2, 20, 40, 50, 60. So I had to get another one. Adventure, moving, holidays is not the one that I said I was putting it. Black Friday. Alright. Okay. Okie dokie. Now. This. No? Okay. Can y'all see? Okay. I really don't have to do all this. Alright. So, new home is not getting anything. Emergency is getting 10. The emergency has 20, 40, 60, 80, 180, 190. Family emergency is getting 10, and it has 30. So 40. Household is getting 10, and it has 40. So now it has 50. I haven't so the household is actually going to be going towards my bathroom area. I'm looking for certain things, and whenever I switch things out, whenever I get everything that I'm looking for, I'm going to try to purchase everything at the same time, and I will have a clip of that just so I can show y'all how I'm updating my living area. So fitness is going to be getting 10, and that is going to leave a vehicle, and I did not put anything in vehicle this time. So there's that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. I'm gonna go ahead and record my stuffing for the VA and delivery, since I already have that income, and then we can actually update it to see where we are at with that. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much. Y'all have a blessed day and stay safe. Bye, guys.